About a month ago, I showed you how I make over $120 an hour doing voiceover work on Fiverr. And oh, how things have changed. Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney, and for this week's video, I decided to see how much I can make in 1 week on Fiverr if I went like all out. I wanted to share this with you because I started on Fiverr only about a year ago when COVID first started, when I was bored at home and wanted to learn a new skill. So that means I didn't really have any experience, and this was something that I didn't have to leverage my following with to get clients, which means you can do it too. My goal for the week was to hit $2,000, which would be really close to a six-figure salary if I was able to maintain this throughout the year. So I really wanted to go all out for this video. So in preparation, I decided to create a few new gigs. A gig is basically defined as a service that you're offering. Prior to preparing for this video, I only had a gig for voiceover work and audiobook narrating. This past month, I created a few new gigs that expanded into lifestyle product modeling, product unboxing videos, Amazon live streams, and also spokesperson videos. For this video, I'll be working a full week, not just Monday to Friday, because unfortunately with Fiverr, I do tend to work sometimes on the weekends, and that's because of the deadlines I set. But because of the voiceover work and the quick turnaround I do usually end up doing just voiceover work on the weekends and only stick to those that I have to get done, and the rest I will put off for the rest of the week. I'm also gonna track the actual hours that I work on Fiverr, not including any of my other work, which I've actually never done before, so I thought this would be interesting. And I'm also going to break down the revenue for each different type of gig or service that I'm offering. So let's get to work. It's Wednesday, day one. I decided for this video I'm going Wednesday to Tuesday just so I have enough time to edit and get it up for you guys. Today obviously is not a filming day. Today I'm doing a lot of voice work, so let's get started. Including pursuing the case in court. All right, the lighting quality in here is terrible, but the audio is good. So let me see what time we're at. We're at 40 minutes, and let's stop that for now. And I made $95, so doing good. I got all the voiceovers done. The next thing I have to do today, I really have to focus. I'm in the middle of an audiobook, and I need to get this done by like this weekend. So I'm about halfway through it, and the thing is, I don't get paid till I finish, and they already paid me like the initial part up front, but if I want any more money for this video, I need to finish this audiobook. An idea came to her, but she thought it was crazy, too extreme. She had a Filipino friend who was running a very successful parlor in Taiwan. All right, I am tired. My throat is sore. Let's see how long it's been. I feel like it's been a while. 2 hours and 6 minutes, so my voice is definitely tired. I just worked on that, I guess, for an hour and 20 minutes. I'm done for today. I did get a little caught up answering a few emails as well as editing, but I'm done. I recorded those 4 chapters, edited them, they're completely done. But again, won't get paid till it's actually finalized. That's gonna be it for today though, and then tomorrow is gonna be a super busy filming day. Today is a big filming day. I have about 6 orders to get through for actual completed videos. These actually take me like not too long because they're only like 30 seconds to like a minute or two. And most of them are just straight up unboxings. A couple of them have like B-roll add-ons and things like that. So you can see here all the ones like this are ones I'm going to be working on. His I haven't received yet. So we have about 6 videos to create. And what I love about this pot is it has a removable plug on the inside, so you could choose to use it or not. You could put it in a saucer if you're putting it inside. Just submitted 1, order 2. Let's upload it. Here is video 3, 4, Load, 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 load. So one of the orders I literally just submitted requested a revision. So here's how I deal with that without trying to get frustrated. So number one, if I make a mistake, I'm always more than happy, super apologetic, ready to fix it. Number two, if it's an instruction like that isn't stated when they submit the order, it's like, how am I supposed to know that? So that will be subject to a revision fee. So if they want to pay the revision fee, great. If not, I just kind of stick to my guns, honestly, because I did the work that was expected. Do risk a little bit of potentially getting not a great review. I find that usually doesn't happen. You just explain to them your policies, and usually they understand and are respectful of that. All right, we're at the 3-hour mark. It is 5 o'clock now. I am really tired. It's been a long day. I had to also film a video for my main channel and also do an Amazon live stream mixed in with all of this. And Andy's not home and I need him to take the photos so I could submit the last 2 videos that needed photos. All right, so these are finished up. I did some slight editing. This one needed a little more because it was dark. So I got that one. Those are gonna be the final photos. Now I just have to go submit them. So it's a little after 9 now. Finally had some dinner. It's just been a crazy day, but sometimes busy days are good days. The handle comes attached to a nylon belt and not the regular chain. All right, so I stopped the timer, 4 hours, 52 minutes. Not bad, but a lot for Fiverr. Made $1,339, and that was because today was a very video heavy day. I had a lot of video stuff to do. So that was good, awesome. Can't beat that for 5 hours of work, like whatsoever. But it's late, I'm tired. See you guys tomorrow. I was actually shocked at the traction my unboxing video gig was getting. For example, in the past week, it had over 12,000 impressions. For reference, my voiceover gig only had 2,300, and that gig does fairly well usually. And the other gigs were getting a few hundred each, which isn't bad for new gigs until they start to rank higher in the search and show up a little better. So why did my unboxing gig start doing so well? For one, I think it's because it's a relatively new category on Fiverr, so there's only 266 people competing with me, and if you narrow this down even further to say like sellers in the US, there's actually only like 70, and if we look at the spokesperson gig that I started at the exact same time, but I haven't hardly gotten any orders on, there's a lot more competition, and even when you narrow it down to the US, there's still quite a lot more. I also feel like I have very good quality, especially compared to some of the others that are being offered. So thank you, YouTube, for that, because that definitely helps out a lot too. All right, we have a chill Friday today. Hallelujah. I needed it after yesterday. I slept in this morning. I got my video completely edited for tomorrow on my main channel. And then it is 2 o'clock now. So I've had lunch and I'm ready to start recording. All I have to do today is some voiceovers and I really want to work some more. I have like 2 voiceover orders, so super quick. And then I want to work through some of that audiobook. All right, submitting, done. All right, I just stopped at about 40 minutes and I totaled out $47. So not the best hourly wage that I've seen so far, but good. This was mainly for a client that I have do a lot of business with. So he gets a discount on some of his stuff just because he brings me in so much work. And I'm always happy to do that if they're consistently ordering from me. Let's crank out some audiobook. And I am done. I just finished 3 chapters of editing. I recorded it and edited it, so I'm getting close to the end. Hallelujah. So wrapping it up for today. On Saturday, I finally completed the audiobook, so I was able to submit it and get paid the remaining half of that, and then I just had 2 voiceover things left to do for the day. On Sunday, I had some new voiceover orders come in, so I just finished those and was just done for the day. It took me less than an hour. I get a lot of questions about what type of voiceover work I do, and the simple answer is just about everything. Informative voiceovers for companies. After obtaining authorization, the service provider has to obtain a shared e-scooter permit. Commercials. Amir wakes up and gets ready for work. Even YouTube top 10 videos. But what would cause this sudden surge of gamma radiation in the core of the Milky Way? Happy Monday. We are gonna start this week off strong. I only have like 1 or 2 voiceovers today, but my big goal of today is really just filming these unboxings and videos for Fiverr. You can see my order list is already full again, so I'm gonna knock out a lot of these, a lot of the video ones, and get those done. Something I want to show you guys is I got this cool new thing called the Padcaster, and this is actually like a phone teleprompter. So this first video I'm doing, it's actually not a product unboxing at all. It's more just like a script, and there's no way I'm gonna remember like a 2-minute long script verbatim. So I got this little thing, and it has like more than paid for itself already. It is, I think, like $99 on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'll show you how it hooks up, but it comes with a little Bluetooth remote. This Padcaster, there's an attachment that goes onto your lens, and this comes with like a lot of them, like 20 different sizes to fit on just about any lens. You pull this down here for your phone, and you flip it on your phone, and it pulls it up normal here, and then your lens is straight through there. So as you're reading it, you can't tell you're reading because you're looking directly at the lens. It's really, really cool. And then you just have the Bluetooth remote here to control it. All you have to do is order our premium branding package and get a free website and hosting alongside your branding order. I just finished up with this product. This is beautiful. I love it. This is a aromatherapy diffuser, but I've never seen one that stores it under like this. Like, I love this so much. Next, I have to do this cooling cuff. They wanted 2 different videos, like a social media one and then a normal one. So this is really cool. These come with a set of 2, and you put them on your wrist. You put them in the freezer first, and then they keep you cooler if you're having hot flashes, if you're cleaning, if you're working out, etc. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just noticed this. Okay, look. I got a Fiverr's Choice badge next to my gig that I'm so excited about. That's never quite happened to me before, and I'm not quite sure what criteria you have to meet. So I don't know how long that will last on there, or if it stays on there, or if I get a bad review, if it goes away. I'm not really sure. But I just saw that. I was like, that's awesome. All right, I just wrapped up the videos. I made $1,080 in 3 hours and 30 minutes. And I literally have like 2 or 3 voiceovers to do like super quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out. I thought I was pretty much done for today, but I logged on to Fiverr and I actually got a tip from one of the videos I did. I noticed that since these videos are a much higher budget usually than voiceovers, I've been getting a lot more tips on them. This is definitely one of the largest. So he tipped me $57. So that was super exciting. So why would a company need an unboxing video? The simple answer is a lot of them want videos for their Amazon pages, social media accounts, or even ads that they're running. Many of them don't have the necessary equipment or team in-house, so they hire freelancers. They'll ship me their product and I could create just about any type of video they're looking for. Sometimes they just want more like B-roll cinematic shots, and other times a true unboxing video just talking about the key features of their product and just showing what it actually looks like in person. Happy Tuesday. It's the last day for this video, so let's see how much work we could crank out today. I have a feeling it's going to be a very busy day. This morning I'm starting off with some voiceovers, doing things a little backwards today just because I feel like switching it up. I find that I get most of my voice work during the week. The weekends for both things are usually pretty slow because less people are working, so I have quite a few to knock out. So let's get to it. I'll probably be up here, I'm gonna guess and say like at least an hour and a half, 2 hours worth of narration. I think my timing was pretty on point for that. So just about an hour and a half, I made $159. Really good. Gonna go and knock out some videos, but first, it's time to eat. The first video I had to do today was just some B-roll shots. They didn't want any kind of like unboxing. They just wanted some like cool B-roll shots of this aloe moisturizer. So that was really easy and fun to make and get a bunch of different angles of. And then I just did one on this weighted blanket. This is so nice. This is from Amazon, but it's like double-sided. So one side's like fur and then one side's Sherpa. And it's like a 15-pound weighted blanket. And then I just did this Hydrate Focus. This is like a pheno It's all natural caffeine drink. It's like a matcha mint. Then I had a bunch of different cases from Glasses USA to do a video for them. They sent a bunch. I only needed 2 for this one, but they sent like 5 frames for hopefully future videos that I'll be working with them on. And then I just finished this. Andy is so excited about this. This is a Crave Coffee 100 count variety pack. So lots of different flavors. Mac, you can't have coffee, Bubba. So I just got done recording. I'm gonna take a little break because Mac's been so good. I'm gonna go play with him outside, and then I'm gonna come back and edit. Done, 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 and done. I ended the week with $4,053. $942 of that was for voiceover work, $56 was in tips, and $3,055 of that was video production, which I'm so shocked about and will definitely continue to keep offering this. All right, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Fiverr needs their 20% fee, so we're left with $3,242. Now I totaled up the time I spent doing only Fiverr work this week. This doesn't include like any YouTube stuff, any editing, or like other work stuff I have to do, just Fiverr. And surprisingly, it came out to almost exactly 20 hours, which was cool, and is also the equivalent of a part-time job. However, a great paying part-time job. So this actually worked out to $162 per hour once we take into account all the Fiverr fees. This isn't including taxes because don't forget you are self-employed when you're doing freelance work and you will have to pay quarterly taxes and self-employment tax and all of that. But $162 per hour. Don't mind if I do. I'm very excited to see what this could potentially turn into like a year from now. But for now, I've been having so much fun with these new gigs. It's just learning something new and fun. And I've been having a lot of fun just continuing to grow my voice artist craft as well. I hope the takeaway from this video is if you want a side hustle or even want to make this a full-time freelance job, there is something for everyone and your particular skills out there. So Fiverr is definitely the platform I feel like I get the most work from. But I have started using Upwork a bit too, so if you want to see maybe a comparison video between the two in the future, just smash the like button to let me know that you'd like to see that. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, let me know in the comments down below so I could say hi to you, so I could thank you, so I could welcome you to the fam. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Saturday with a brand new video. Bye.